Do you ever wonder how fishing industries are affected by climate change and what this can mean for the future? Let's take a closer look at Japan and the Pacific waters where their catches come from. Japan was known to dominate the fishing industry worldwide during the 70s and 80s, but the tide has changed, and now we're seeing declines in many of the fishing stocks. They were accustomed to fishing without boundaries, but once EEZs, or exclusive economic zones, were set, they exploited their own waters, causing their downfall. New York Times states that fish populations surrounding Japan have declined as much as 35%, according to a study from the journal Science. The catch volume is decreasing, less workers are coming into the fishing industry, and the ocean's ecosystems are being threatened from warmer climates. Decades ago, the world wasn't so concerned with sustainable catch, and now the effects are biting back, and we have to come up with solutions to fix our mistakes. The world consumption of seafood has nearly doubled in the last half-century, straining our oceans and their limited supplies. Data from the Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that approximately 66% of total global tuna catch is composed of a few species, including skipjack tuna, which makes up 58.1%, yellowfin tuna at 26.8%, big-eyed tuna at 8.2%, albacore at 5.9%, and Atlantic bluefin tuna and southern bluefin tuna making up less than 1%. Tuna stocks are extremely important, and we are influenced by food availability, predators, water temperature, pH, and ocean currents. Warming temperatures are causing marine populations to migrate towards the poles as well as deeper waters where it's cooler. This graph shows the area of increasing and decreasing percentages of catches within the last few decades. The tropical areas show a decrease in catches, while the temperate areas are slightly higher. This is a result of warmer ocean waters, fluctuating fish populations, and integrated fishing techniques. Modeling spatial distributions of tuna and other fish can help give us an idea of where our fishing industry is heading and what makes the most economic sense. Spatial ecosystem and population dynamics models, also known as SEAPODM, is an excellent way to tie together all the environmental factors and risks associated with marine ecosystems in order to better understand our oceans. In the Northeast Atlantic Ocean, where cod is a fish favorite, there was a 34% decline in sustainable catch. Mackerel and bonito stocks have also declined by almost 75%, according to a study by the World Wildlife Fund and the Zoological Society of London. The whole ocean ecosystem is teetering on the brink of catastrophe due to climate change, and we have to do our duty in preserving what's left.